Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open your monitor OSD and enable DDC/CI to allow external brightness control. This setting is often under Setup or System menus. Install a DDC control app such as Click Monitor DDC, Control My Monitor, or DDQTL for Linux. Run that app to verify your monitor responds to software brightness commands. Map your keyboard brightness keys to DDC commands using auto hotkey scripts or system utilities. Test adjustments in 5% increments from 0 to 100 to confirm reliable operation. Use auto hotkey to send DDC brightness commands when brightness keys are pressed. Reference the DDC app command line or API to send absolute or relative brightness values. Adjust brightness in 5% increments and cap values between 0 and 100 for predictable results. Bind keys like brightness up and brightness down, or use custom scan codes from your keyboard. Run your script as administrator to allow the app to control attached monitors without permission errors. Save and test the script so keys respond instantly. Use monitor control on Mac OS or DDQTL on Linux to issue DDC brightness commands from the keyboard. Verify cables and adapters support DDC, DisplayPort, and most HDMI cables do. Check that DDC/CI is enabled and that cables support DDC like DisplayPort or HDMI before continuing. Allow 100 to 500 milliseconds between consecutive commands to avoid command collisions. If DDC fails, adjust brightness using the monitor OSD or physical buttons instead of risking misconfiguration. Keep your software up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.